Hey there everyone, today I want to talk to you about lead distribution software and a real simple beginner's guide to kind of what you need and what we do and basically how this might help you. So we have a free group on Facebook called the Pay Per Lead Ninjas, and a lot of the times I'm hearing people ask, what lead distribution software do I need, how much is it, all that type of stuff. So to simplify how things work, and you can get very complex, trust me, but most of the time you don't need it. 99% of the time you don't need all these complex things. But basically the way that we run it is we have ads, and then we push those ads to our funnels, our lead gen funnels, and then before they go to the client, we send those leads to our distribution software, and we use a company called get.cake. And I think it's roughly $1,500 per month, all right? So it's not a cheap solution, and there's plenty of other cheap ones out there. Get.cake is what we use. And basically what happens is if we own the funnel, we own that brand over here, that's usually owned by us. And then what happens is the lead goes into Cake, and then we distribute the leads to different clients based off the criteria that are within those leads. So say they're answering six or seven questions within that survey funnel. Out of 100 leads, 50 might go here, 30 might go here, and 20 might go here based on the criteria, based on the answers that they're putting in. So one of them could be whether they're a homeowner, and 50% of them might be a homeowner. The other one could be if they're a renter, then the 30 could go here, and the others could be, I don't know, university students or something like that. So they're neither, and they're going to down here, the person that specializes in student leads, for example. And what get.cake does is it does all that for you automatically. So you set up some filters for a criteria, and if the filter hits that criteria, then it goes to client A, client B, and client C. Okay, pretty simple. You can also do that for IP address or location. So if someone's in London or Los Angeles, and that client's there, then they want to get all the leads, then you can figure that out. Very easy to do. Time of day, so if the client A wants leads between 9 AM and midday only, then fine, you can set up that filter as well. There's no end to what you can do with this stuff, and that's why it's expensive. But to be fair, we couldn't do without it. It's changed my life, and it's made things much easier. But I don't think you need it just now if you're starting out. It can sell by a round robin, so you can go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, whatever you want with your leads. You can also do it staggered, so you can do 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, whatever you want. If you want to have like the client A gets the majority of the leads, no matter what the criteria, then you can figure that out. You can hold stuff back as well and sell them at a later date if you would like to. You could sell them if client B rejects them because it's a duplicate for them, then you might want to sell it to client A. There's no end to what you can do. It also generates what's called a unique ID. So every lead that comes through that's generated through this funnel back here goes to the clients, and each client receives a unique ID. So it's great for when you want to reconcile and check volumes to make sure that what you're getting paid is fair and accurate. It's also a good way to, let's say you can track where these ads are coming from, or what ad network or what targeting you're using. You can track that unique ID all the way back to here, which means you can then optimize to send more leads from audience A because you know they're better quality, or less leads from audience A because they're crappy quality. Okay, that's all doable as well. Reconciliate duplicates and scrubs. As I said, a unique ID means that you'll be able to check that, but also what happens if you send a lead to a client and it's a duplicate for them, then it'll send back into get.cake, and then you can pass it on to someone else. So it's quite powerful. You can cross-sell as well. So let's say a lead comes in for the vertical that you're running in, but that vertical has cross-selling opportunities. For example, car finance leads might be suitable for car insurance leads as well. You can cross-sell to different clients using this software. Validation as well, that's another good one. And you can also sell to multiple people. So you can sell one lead to each of those 3 people if you want. And that's all doable, plus a whole lot more using this type of software, okay? If you're just starting out and you don't want to, fork out all of that type of money for this type of, software that's expensive, then I would recommend LeadHook. I always recommend LeadHook. If you've been watching my videos for now, then you'll know that this is, lead gen software developed by a direct response marketer who understands lead gen. And you can do kind of 80% of this stuff here inside his software, which is like 97 bucks a month or whatever. So we'll put a link below into LeadHook as well, so you can have a look at that. I think if you buy through our link, or if you set up a call through our link or whatever, then you'll be able to get a free personalized catch up with Nick, which is one-on-one, which is worth, in my opinion, $1,000. That's how good he is. So I hope this video makes sense. If you are more advanced, then definitely it's time to buy some lead gen software like this, lead distribution software like get.cake. But if you're just starting out, then something like LeadHook is going to be amazing for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Speak soon.